Hello everyone, this is Bing Naranjo from Bingodesigns, and here's another cool effect, the pop-out effect that I want to show you, and I hope you like it. So without wasting your time, let's get started. Open up a new canvas. Let's make it 1920 by 1080. Then go to File, Open your photo. You can use any photo that you want. Then hit Ctrl A to select, Ctrl C to copy your image and paste it in your canvas. Then resize your image like this. Now, get your alignment tool and align it to the center. Now get the ellipse tool, then find the center of your image. Drag it down, then press the Shift and Control key and make a circle just about like this big. Now duplicate the image, then go to Select, Invert, then press the Delete key. Again, go to Select, then Grow, make it grow around 28 pixels. Now make a new layer. Put it below the copied image and go to Edit and fill it with a foreground color. Now duplicate again the image and put it above and decrease the opacity. Grab the Path tool, zoom in so we can see better. Now click and drag around the head until we finished. Then to close, press the Control key, then Enter. Right-click the image, hit the Alpha to selection. Now change the opacity back to 100%. And go to Select, Invert, then hit the Delete key. Now press the Alt key and click the image. Let's fix the hair. As you can see, it has a white color around it. We'll grab the brush tool and paint around the hair. I'm just copying the hair color with the dropper tool. Now go to File, Open the background. Then hit Ctrl A, Ctrl C to copy, and Ctrl V to paste. Then drag it below the image. My background is in a landscape mode, so I'm going to rotate for about 90 degrees. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you've learned something today. You are free to subscribe. As always, be creative. Bye bye. Until next time. Take care.